friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about pseudocodes. Pseudocode means to represent an algorithm in a coded form. So, algorithm, in previous video I have discussed about algorithm. So, if you have not watched it, please go and watch. So, algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step procedure for solving a specific problem. Okay, for solving any problem, we need to divide that problem into smaller steps. By using those steps, we need to solve that problem. Okay, that procedure is known as algorithm. So here, algorithm in a coded format, representation of algorithm in a coded format is known as pseudocodes. They represent the steps of an algorithm in a coded form which were closely resembles program code. So whatever the algorithm is translated into coded format, that is known as pseudocode. By using pseudocode, we can easily resembles program code. We can easily develop one program code. So a pseudocode may be considered as intermediate code between the algorithm and program. So first we develop algorithm. By using algorithm we can develop the pseudocode. By using pseudocode we can develop the program. So pseudocode is acts as intermediate between the algorithm and program code. Okay. So let's see first algorithm. So this is the algorithm. So this is the algorithm to solve the problem of finding sum of n natural numbers. Okay. So let's see. First, the algorithm starts with start and end with stop. So here we need to find out the sum of n natural numbers. So that n value is given by the user. So suppose input n is equals to 5. So I am taking 5 as n. Okay. Next, I value is 1 and some value is 0. So here n is equals to 5 and then I is equals to 1. Next, sum is equals to 0. Okay. Next, repeat step A and B while I less than or equals to n. Okay. I value is 1, less than or equals to n value is 5. So, tell me 1 less than or equals to 5. Is it true or false? 1 less than or equals to 5 is true. Okay, 1 is less than 5. So, if 1 is less than or equals to 5, then you need to repeat the steps A and B. Okay, those steps are sum is equals to sum plus I. So sum is equals to sum value is 0 plus I value is 1. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1. Now sum value is 1. Okay. Next, I is equals to I plus 1. I value is 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Now I value is 2. Okay. I value is 2. Yes, sum value is 1. Okay. Next, again we are checking. Now I value is 2. 2 less than or equals to 5. It is also true. Okay. So, if it is true, then we need to repeat the steps A and B. Sum is equals to sum plus I. Sum value is 1. I value is 2. So, total 3. Sum is equals to 3. Next, I value is incremented to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now I value is 3. Just wait a second. Okay, sum value is 3. Next, I value is 2. Okay. I value is 3. Next, 3 less than or equals to 5 is true. Next, sum value is 3 plus I value is 3. Okay. Now, sum value is 6. And next 3 plus 1 is 4. I value is 4. Again, 4 less than or equals to 5. True. Now, 6 plus 4, 10. Next, I value is 5. 5 less than or equals to 5. True. Okay. Next, sum is 10 plus I value is 5. Total is 15. Okay. Sum is 15. I value is incremented to 6. 6 less than or equals to 5. Is it true? No, it is false. Okay. So that's why sum value is displayed. Okay. Display sum is equals to 15. Okay. So let's see. N value is 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 5 15. So sum of n natural numbers is 15. Okay. So by using algorithm we can solve the problem in a step-by-step manner. Let's see how to convert algorithm into pseudocode. The coded format of algorithm is known as pseudocode. Okay. So this is the pseudocode. Given a pseudocode, translation of same into program code is relatively easy. So translation of pseudocode into program is very easy. Okay. So first we need to start the program. So that's why here we use pseudocode sum n. Okay. Next we need to get the input from the user. So that's why we are printing one statement, print enter a value. So remember that print is used to displaying purpose. Okay. So enter a value for n. Displaying purpose we use print. And next we need to read input from the user. So that's why we are using scan. So scan is used to read input from the user. Print is used to display and scan is used to get input from the user. So for example, user given 5. Next we are storing sum is equals to 0. Again same process, and I is equals to 1. 1 less than or equals to n value is 5. Okay. So if it is true, then sum is equals to sum plus 1, that is 0 plus 1. Next I is equals to I plus 1, 1 plus 1. Okay. Now sum value is 1, I value is 2. Okay. Again I value is incremented to 2. Then 2 less than or equals to 5 is true. Again sum plus 1. So sum value is 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Sum plus 1. Yes. Next I value is incremented to 3. Okay. In this way the problem is solved by using pseudocode. Okay. Next we need to display the sum value. So after this operation, after this iteration, the sum value is 15. We already seen in algorithm. Okay. So the same process is implemented here. Okay. Algorithm process and here the process is both are same. Then we need to display. In algorithm the word display is used, but here we need to display the message by using print statement. The sum is sum, that is 15. Okay. So after developing pseudocode, we need to translate the pseudocode into program code. Okay. That is very easy. Translation of pseudocode into program is easy. Let's see. The C code for the pseudocode shown here would be as follows. So remember that every C program must contain preprocessor statements. Those are hash include stdio.h. I will discuss all these small topics in further videos. Okay. So here hash include stdio.h. stdio.h means header file. Okay. It is a header file, standard input output dot header file. So we are including this header file into our program. Next, every C program must contain at least one main method. Main method is used to indicate starting of the program. So this is the starting of the program. So in algorithm, so this indicates starts, and in pseudo code this indicates start. Like that, in program, main is used to indicate starting of the program. Next, we are initializing variables. Those are I is equals to 1, sum is equals to 0 and n. So here int is used. So int is nothing but all these three variables. Those are I, sum and n. All these variables are integer variables, means number variables. All these variables are used to store only numbers. Okay, not characters or strings. Okay. So I value is 1, sum value is 0, n value is 5. Next, so we are displaying one message, that is enter a value for the number n. So which is given by the user. So I already told, for displaying message we use printf. For reading data from the user we need to use scanf. That 5 is stored in n variable. Next, while we are checking the condition 1 less than or equals to 5, if it is true, then these two statements are executed. Sum is equals to sum plus I, that is 1. Okay, 1 is stored in yes. Next, I value is incremented to 2. 2 less than or equals to 5 is true. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 3 is stored in sum. Again, I value is incremented to 3. 3 less than or equals to 5 is true. Then 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 6 is stored in yes, sum. Next, I value is incremented to 4. 4 less than or equals to 5 is true. Then 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 stored in S. Again, I value is incremented to 5. 5 less than or equals to 5 is true. Then 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is stored in S. Again, I value is incremented to 6. 6 less than or equals to 5 is false. 6 less than or equals to 5 is false. So that's why it stops the execution. Okay, so it stops the execution and print the statement. The sum is sum. So in sum, the 15 value is stored, that will be displayed. Okay, so in this way we develop the programs by using pseudo codes. Okay, so algorithm, pseudo code and program, these three are interrelated. First, we need to develop the algorithm. So it is a step-by-step process which contain English words, English sentences. Next, pseudocode. Pseudocode is translation of algorithm into coded format. Okay. Next, C program. Okay. So translation of pseudocode into programming format is known as C program. Okay. So in this way we develop the C programs. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. And if you want any specific topic, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.